Welcome back to the channel, guys. Ben Tucker with Muscle Car Central. We've got a Tech Tuesday coming at you. It's everybody's favorite. It's window felts. It goes on top of the door. It keeps the water out of the car, kind of pushes it off. First gen is what we're going to talk about today. 67, 68, and 69. So 67 is pretty easy in our offering. We offer it for a coupe and a convertible. And we do the OE style and what they call reproduction style. So let's learn, what is OE style? What's reproduction? Well, OE style is where you're gonna have a round bead here. Round bead on both the inner and the outer. The inner has like a little V channel, where the outer is a big flocked material, kind of a fuzzy material. That's gonna be OE, so it's a fuzzy on the outer, round bead. Has a little lip here that goes over the top of the outer door skin. That's how it originally came from GM. 67, inner and outer, they both attach to the metal, so they have these little clips, and they're spaced out to go in the slots on your door. Fantastic product. OEs are probably the most popular, a little bit more expensive than what they call the reproduction style. Reproduction style, same thing, but it's in a flat bead of chrome. It's not round, and both the inner and the outer have this V channel, so the outer does not have the fuzzy flocking material like the OE. It's more of a modern style. It's a little more updated, so a lot of resto mods will use this product, and it's also a little bit more cost effective. So 67, you offer that in a coupe and convertible. The difference between the coupe and the convertible are just the rear quarter ones are a little bit shorter. Convertible, coupe. Coupe's longer, convertible is shorter. That's really the only difference there. And round bead's gonna be OE, flat bead's gonna be the reproduction. 68 and 9, there's a couple different differences there. 68 and 9, coupe and convertible, if you don't have any wide molding like 68's had, it's an option, the special molding or Ville molding people called it. They're both the same, 68 through 9. So let's look at those real quick. Same thing, 68 and 9, original one is a round bead with a flocked material on the outer one that sweeps the glass. The inner, same deal. This is actually inner here for a deluxe interior. On the deluxe interior inner, it's flat. So your inside one's flat, your outer's round. On standard interior, it's round on the inside, round on the outside. That is a difference that 68 and 9 have. The 68 and 9 mount to the inside ones on the door panel, not to the top of a metal. So they use, staples that go in, which are all included, or little screws if you prefer, but they go to the door panel, not to the metal door. And we actually have a 69 Firebird over here if you want to come check it out real quick. And this is a deluxe interior. So it's going to have round on the outside. We probably need some better lighting, but this is what we got. Round on the outside, but on the inside, this here has a flat bead that goes onto the deluxe door panel. If it's a standard door panel, it would have a round bead, original style. So that's pretty cool. This is a 69 real Trans Am Ram Air 3 car. JK is lucky to own that thing. But that's so you have flat bead is going to be deluxe interior. Round bead is going to be standard 68 through 9. Then let's throw a little curveball. 68's had an option as a Reville molding, or some people call it the special molding. It goes on top of the quarter, on top of the door. Big, wide, fancy, beautiful molding. You peel this off, it's chrome, just blue little protective tape. They took a different fuzzy. This one here has no beaded chrome at all. It's simply the flocking material, and obviously that's just for the outer. It doesn't go to the door, it doesn't go to the door panel. It actually attaches to this molding here with these little teeth. Go through these holes here, and then you bend them back. And then when you're ready to install it, you put the molding on the car and attach it to the door. That's the 68 special top of door molding option. So when you see with special molding, we're talking about it, they go on this chrome. So we do have some different options for 68 and 9. Knowing what you have is really going to help us get you what you need. So we have all these listed on our website. Take the time, look at what you're looking for, read the descriptions. We're going to get you the right product. Camaro Central, Firebird Central, we've been selling window felts for years, and we still get that, customer gets the wrong product. He ordered the 689 coupe, but he had the special molding. So those are the things we want to do today, is get you the right product, the information, so you can get that car done quick. Going forward, if there's any other topics you want for us to do on a Take Tuesday, let us know in the comments below. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our page.